Hello WebPage students, and in this tutorial you're going to learn how to use Fireworks to create a basic text logo with some color and a few little special effects. Now the reason we're using Fireworks over Photoshop is Fireworks is very good for producing graphics for the web, bitmaps or vector graphics, and we'll talk a little bit more about that at a later time, versus Photoshop that's its purpose is to use primarily with photos. So we're going to use text and graphics in this particular logo. So I'm going to minimize my PowerPoint and I'm going to go into Fireworks. And you can see I created a simple little PTHS hockey logo that I changed a little gradient on here, and I created, a little PTHS in hockey and changed the background color. So how you set up your template is you go File, New, and then you're going to make your logo 257 by 50 pixels at a resolution of 72 pixels per inch and hit OK. My canvas color is white, so I'm going to hit OK. Yours doesn't have to be white. You can change it to another color, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You would go to Modify Canvas, and you would do Canvas Color, and go down to this Custom area, and you'd click the box. And I like this Peter's red, so I'm going to do that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click this little text box and create a text box here. And I'm on a stencil standard text that says media, and I'm going to keep it with that. And I'm just going to do media on here. I'm not going to do anything else, and I'm going to use the arrow tool to pull it over, and you can see, I hope you can see the little graph lines. You can see that that media is centered right in the center of this little logo. Now if I want to highlight the text and I want to go ahead and I can do a number of different things with this particular text. You make it bold, or I can unbold it. I'm going to keep it bold. I could center it. I could justify it in the text box, meaning it'll be spaced in there as well. The other thing I can do is I can play around with some of these special effects. In order to do that, you need to make sure that you're over here on the black arrow and this box is highlighted, and you can go where it says normal, color burn. Now if I hit maybe a stroke line around that, you can see that the color burn is a little bit of a different effect. And there are a bunch of different effects that you can make. And I'm going to just edit, and I'm going to undo stroke color, and I'm going to undo blend mode, and I'm going to show you the different places that you can play around and do that. And you can see from normal to tint and erase, starts over again and gets rid of what you've done, to dissolve, and you can maybe do a stroke line that will change things around, and you can see the dissolve effect kind of highlights that media. So you can do a number of different things in here, and I just want to show you. So the black arrow allows you to create these effects. The text arrow, if I click on the text arrow, it allows you to edit the text, and then you can space things around and move them around. You can move them with the black arrow. So maybe I need to move this media, and I want to move it down here to the bottom and over a little bit because I want to put a PTHS media over there. And then you can bold, you can center, you can justify. Now you want to do a save before you exit, so you're going to do File, Save As, and then you're going to make sure you save it as a PNG file and name it and save it in your Y drive folder that you're working on. I'm going to cancel that because I don't want to save this particular media logo that I've designed. Good luck and have fun getting to know Fireworks.